There have been strong protests from villagers who are opposing IIT Goa project. Villagers and police clashed over the last week and cops resorted to lathi charge and use of tear gas to disperse protesters. Goa police have also filed cases against the protesting villagers for attempt to murder and unlawful assembly. The Moxie villagers extended their support to the Milavli villagers in the protest against the proposed IIT project. The villagers released a video late night on Sunday.
Go back! IIT! Go back! IIT! I'm gonna go! I'm gonna go! IIT! I'm gonna go! I'm gonna go! I'm gonna go! IIT! I'm gonna go! Go back! IIT! Go back! IIT!
Today on Monday morning, around 300 youths from Moxie village held a protest rally in support of Milavli locals opposing IIT project. Police were deployed to stop the Moxie villagers who were on the way to Milavlim to extend their voice and support. The revolutionary Goans leader Manoj Parab assures full legal support from the team RG to Milavli villagers to stop proposed IIT project in the village. RG released a video on Monday morning. Here's what Manoj Parab said.
आम्ही आमच्या साइडीसून बीइंग अ रेव्होल्युशनरी गोवन आम्ही तुमकां प्रॉमिस करता की डेमोक्रेटिक वे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल वे हो प्रोटेस्ट फुडें व्हरपाक जर कोर्टान सुद्दां तो वयचे पडले जाल्यार आमी कोर्टान वयतले जर आमकां हाय कोर्टान वयचे पडले आमी वयतले आमी सुप्रीम कोर्टान वयचे पडले सुद्दां जाल्यार आमी वयतले पूण आमी तुमकां तेंको दितले आमी तुमकां एकटे उडोवचे न्हू.
The Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant on Sunday said that the demarcation work of the IIT Goa project that had to be stopped on a few occasions due to the protests from Milavli villagers will continue. While there are some obstructions, demarcation will start on Monday, Sawant told reporters. People should not fight with the government and create obstructions. If the issue is discussed, then we can come out with a solution, he said. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.